The average true range, or ATR, isn't just a line on your chart. It's a powerful tool that helps you understand market volatility and make smarter trading decisions. In this post, we'll go over what ATR is, how it's calculated, and most importantly, how you can use it to improve your trading strategy. So,
don't forget to like and subscribe!
What is ATR? The average true range is a volatility indicator. In simple terms, it shows you how much the price of an asset moves over a certain period. It helps you see the average range the market can move up or down in a given time. It's important to remember that ATR doesn't tell you the direction of the price, it just shows you how volatile the market is. How is ATR calculated? The calculation isn't too complicated, but it's good to know how it works.
Knowledge is power.
There are 3 methods to calculate ATR, and the reason for this is the different ways price candles can form. Method 1. The current high minus the current low. This shows the true range of the current candle, useful in patterns like bullish engulfing. Method 2. The current high minus the previous close. This captures gaps, or when the market opens higher than the last close. Method 3. The current low minus the previous close. This captures cases where the market opens lower than the previous close. In short, when the candles show a bigger range, the ATR value goes up. When the range is smaller, the ATR value goes down. The key takeaway is that ATR measures market volatility. Why should we use a TR? First, it's better to use a dynamic approach that adjusts to market volatility instead of a fixed stop loss. Fixed stop losses can be problematic, especially during times of high volatility where tight stops might get you stopped out too early. Every market has its own level of volatility. For example, a stop loss that works for the euro-dollar might not be suitable for the more volatile pound-yen. The Forex market is different from the crypto market because it has more price volatility. The ATR can help you set a flexible stop loss based on the current market conditions. Using ATR multiples. A common method is to set your stop loss at 1.5 or 2 times the ATR. ATR shows the average number of pips a market moves over the last 14 candles. However, you can adjust this period based on your strategy. By using this value, you can set your stop loss based on how much risk you can accept. Using ATR to set your stop loss is simple. Here is how to do it. 1. Check the ATR value at your entry point. Hover your mouse over your entry candle to see the ATR value. Another way to see the ATR value is to move down from the candle and hold it at the end of the ATR line to see the ATR value from the right side of the chart. 2. Multiply by the number you choose. For example, if the ATR value shows the market's volatility as X, multiply it by 1.5 or 2. This will show you the acceptable risk area. 3. If you are opening a long trade, subtract the resulting value from your entry price. If you are entering a short trade, add it to your entry price. Now let's examine our example. You enter a sell trade and the ATR shows 49 pips. We'll use 2 times ATR for your stop loss. We set your stop loss 98 pips above your entry point. This is 98 pips higher than your entry price. Let's examine the results. Remember, price action is crucial, so keep an eye on it. Price action is always important. If the ATR indicates a stop loss of 98 pips, but there's no significant resistance in that area, you should widen your stop to ensure it's above a notable resistance level. Avoid stop hunts by using ATR, which gives your trades more breathing room and helps you avoid being stopped out by normal market fluctuations or stop hunts. For example, we noticed this downtrend and saw price reaching a supply zone with an engulfing pattern confirming our entry. When setting our stop loss, we checked the ATR, which showed an average volatility of 49 pips. We multiplied this by 2, setting our stop loss at 98 pips. We also identified the resistance level and widened our stop area slightly to avoid a price return to that level. Using ATR for trailing stop loss. Now, let's talk about setting up a trailing stop loss using ATR. This method is fantastic for maximizing your gains by riding trends for as long as possible. Volatility-based tracking. A common method is dynamically adjusting your stop loss using multiples of ATR. As the market moves in your favor, the trailing stop follows along, offering flexibility while securing your profits. Here are a few indicator suggestions to implement this method. First indicator, chandelier stop. One excellent tool for this is the chandelier stop indicator. It automatically calculates a trailing stop loss based on ATR values, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. You can set the ATR multiplier to determine how closely the stop loss follows the price. To use it, go to the Indicators section on TradingView and add the chandelier stop indicator developed by Pip Charlie to your chart. If you open a position at a certain level, adjust your stop loss above the levels suggested by this dynamic indicator. Keep in mind, this is not a trend indicator. It simply shows the range of volatility as dynamic lines based on ATR. Another useful indicator is H-Potter's average true range trailing stop loss colored, or the super trend indicator. These tools simplify the process and keep you focused on trading. You can adjust the multiplier used in these indicators, just as you would with ATR, to set your stop levels. By indicators tells you that I multiply the average of the ATR by the multipliers you want and dynamically turn it into a line to show you where to set your stop loss level. How to determine exit points using these indicators. The beauty of these indicators is their volatility-based approach. They help you stay in a trend until a clear reversal occurs. When the price hits the trailing stop loss, close your trade to secure profits and minimize risk. Using ATR for trailing stop losses allows you to manage your trades in sync with the market's natural rhythm, optimizing exits and increasing profit potential. Thank you for watching the video.
Please push like and subscribe.